Smaller game birds make a wonderful alternative for a special feast, especially if you're not serving a crowd or if you're in the mood to try something completely different. Now, you don't have to be a hunter to find pheasant, as they are also farm-raised and can be purchased online or at specialty grocery stores. Pheasant is mild in flavor and low in fat, but to avoid drying it out during cooking, it can be wet brined in advance or wrapped in some slices of bacon to prevent drying. Crucial to success is using convection and a low temperature for most of the cooking. Convection is important because the circulating heat cooking the bird from the edge to the center ensures moisture retention. Roasting the pheasant on a rack in a shallow pan is also recommended to help preserve the moisture in the bird. Once the pan gets hot, it starts to leach all that moisture out. Once my pheasant was defrosted, I patted it dry with paper towels and gave it a rub with kosher salt and let it sit uncovered in the refrigerator overnight. Allowing the skin to dry adds with crisping, especially when roasting in convection, because the meat does retain more moisture when cooked in convection. Before cooking the bird, I added some onion, apple, fresh thyme, and garlic to the cavity and wrapped the breast with a few slices of bacon and tucked some fresh sage leaves under there. Now, the roasting starts at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 Celsius, but only for 10 minutes. Then the temperature is reduced to 320 Fahrenheit, 160 Celsius for the remainder of the cooking time, which is approximately 30 to 35 minutes. It can be tricky to find enough meat to get an accurate probe reading with small birds, but you can always check the internal temperature at the end of the recommended cooking time to determine if it is completely cooked. And remember, the internal temperature will rise by 15 to 20 degrees during the resting time, and resting time is crucial. Roasted root vegetables pair well with roast pheasant, and they can also be cooked in the same pan, since the cooking time is approximately the same, around about 40 minutes. So, pheasant in convection, you'll never dry it out and it will be delicious. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.